Alright, here we are making a triple batch of beer, a little over 33 pounds of grain. So I decided to motorize the Victoria mill, or Corona mill, whatever you want to call it. I've taken out the handle that was on here through the end cap, and I've put in a threaded bolt, cut off the end, and then just attached it to a cordless drill. And other than that, it's your typical Victoria mill. And here we go. So as you can see, a lot faster than doing it by hand. A little more overspray depending on how fast you go, but it also drops down that grain fast. There you have it. Instead of spending over an hour milling by hand, we can do it in a lot less time.